Hello.
Hey Faith, it's Cody.
Hey.
So, how you been?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Man, I had such an awesome time hanging out with you last time.
Oh. You looked really cute.
Aw, thanks. You're so sweet. We need to hang out again sometime.
I want to hang out too.
When?
What about tomorrow?
I can't tomorrow. What about tonight? You know, after your parents go to bed.
I'm not gonna sneak out.
Why not? I do it all the time.
Well, maybe.
Now we're talking. So, what time sounds good?
But I don't think my mom would let me do that.
So what? Are you worried that you're gonna get caught?
Unfortunately.
So I'm guessing this means a no for tonight?
Yeah.
That's too bad. Well, I hope I can see you soon.
I can't wait to see you too.
So are you busy doing anything next week?
What are you doing, Mom?
Nothing. I'm just doing my housework.
Angie? Honey, where are you?
I'm right here. I'm not feeling good. I don't know. It must have been something I ate. But anyway, have you had the talk with Faith yet?
Talk? What are you talking about?
You know. The talk. The sex talk. With Faith.
She's a girl. That's your job.
I can't have that talk with Faith. I just cannot do it. You need to have the talk with Faith.
I can't do that. She's a girl.
Yes, you can. You're the man of the house.
But you're the mother.
She's your little girl. You need to step up to the plate.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
Uh-uh.
You never had the talk with James, did you?
Yes.
You have not.
No. I didn't need to have that talk with James. He's got to know by now. My dad never had that talk with me, and I turned out fine.
You need to talk with James. Better yet, you need to talk with both of them.
No, I'll talk to James. You talk to Faith.
Fine.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls.
Faith, would you turn that music off?
It comes awake and I can't control
Please
it.
turn the music off!
What made you so mad?
We need to have a talk about school.
Why? Mom always wants to have the talk. But it's never about how I'm doing or what I want. No, it's about how she's always disappointed. Well, it's getting really old.
Faith, I need to know who you're hanging out with at school.
Levi, Nate, James, Brian, Cody.
Those are not the kind of guys you should be hanging out with.
You don't even know them. They're not bad. Stop running my life. I am so tired of her. Oh, she's so annoying. It's always, Faith, go to your homework. Faith, turn down your music. Faith, stop with the boys.
Hey, James, we got to... Hi, Alyssa.
Hi.
You always do this, Dad. You come in at the wrong time.
I guess we can have this talk a little
Yeah,
later.
that would be great.
No, I gotta go. I have stuff I gotta do anyways. So, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
It was nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you, Alyssa.
He does this every time. Every time she's over. Every time. Now Alyssa won't even talk to me. You ever heard of knocking, Dad?
James, we really need to talk about Alyssa.
Why? It's not even that big of a deal.
She is just not a good influence on you.
I don't want to talk about this right now. I don't see why my dad has a problem with Alyssa. I mean, she's a straight A student. She's heavily involved in our church. And you saw her. She is drop dead gorgeous.
You feeling okay?
My back's been bothering me some, but I'll be all right. You didn't have the talk, did you?
Nope.
Me either. There has to be an easier way of doing this.
Maybe we could do it together.
Works for me. But you're doing the talking.
Okay, guys. We need to have a talk.
This is about Alyssa again. I don't even want to hear it.
And I don't want to be judged because of my friends at school.
No, it's not that talk. I need to talk to you about I need to talk to you about I need to talk to you about
Sex!
Yeah, about that.
I can't handle this.
I gotta pee.
No, the two of you need to sit down and listen.
Guys. God has made man and woman differently. But they need to be together. They like to do things together. But I do have some diagrams that illustrate this better.
Wow. That was awkward.
Like health class all over again.
Except with Mom.
And Dad.
Boy, I'm glad we had that talk. It's finally behind us. I think it went well. But where did Angie go? I'm glad that's behind us.
I'm pregnant.